A trash is equal to treasure of information. Information is power. Company's trade secret is a nuclear missile. The important information is discarded inaptly or inappropriately by many corporations across the globe. A wealth of information is exposed to cybercriminals. In the era of tough competition, your business rivals are looking at ways to erode your profit. Trash discarded without proper shielding or shedding can land you in trouble. Trash may contain your business secret, plans, proposal, tender, buyer or client list, key stakeholder details, publications, financial reports, undisclosed projects, new business prototype, blueprint, research and development reports, employee records, meeting outcomes, sensitive data, login credential, legal contracts, letterheads, source code, vacation details, policies, organization chart, circular, incomplete letter, stamped document, signature of key office bearers, and so on. Don't be shocked if you meet corporate espionage, fraud, or forged contract, blackmail letters or email, demand for ransom or extortion. Competitors launch the product and service before you. Suppliers and stakeholders hold back. This method is commonly known as dumpster diving. It is a method to rebuild key information from the discarded trash or waste. Corporate had lost more than $100 billion due to the trade secret being leaked. Now, what are the preventive tips? Create an awareness culture. Properly discard all trash or papers, office documents. Check the details of the vendor or staff before granting permission.